In this video, we are going to show you how to enter your personal information to your account. Let's go ahead and go to step number 1 and click on Enter Personal Info. Once you click on Enter Personal Info, you're going to see this pop-up window that is going to allow you to input your personal information and upload your proof of identity documents. You want to make sure that you upload your copy of your driver's license or state ID, your social security card, your address verification, that can be a utility bill, a bank statement, and if you need any of the additional options, go ahead and hover what documents should I send in to validate my ID or address, and you will see a pop-up window that is going to give you all the valid proof of documentations that you can send in to verify your identity. Once you have added all your information, and you have uploaded your proof of identity documents, do not forget to click on Save to save that information to your account. This information does get transferred over to your letters, so it's super important that you're inputting all the data required into the system, including the SSN and your phone number. I hope this video helps.